Today, we're going to make some Christmas swag. To start with some strings, we're going to be in C major. I'm going to keep it fairly simple. Copy this. I'm going to copy this pattern to a guitar layer. No, bells. Got an idea for a melody. Don't think it's ever been done before. I think I could catch on. Let's add a little... Add some delay. Time for a lead. It's nearly there. Pitch it up an octave for some variation. Time for some bouncy drums. Clap on the 2 and 4. Gonna add another kick for some groove. A shaker. I'm going to change the velocity a little bit. If you hold Control and Shift, you can select multiple notes. Shift and drag to make sure they're the same. Stomp. An open hat. Let's add a few more perks. It's not a Christmas beat if you don't add sleigh bells. Let's add a bass from my 2000 swag kit. 20% off with code Xmas. Let's add some fruity fastest. Some OTT. Shift click when placing a note to make it the size of the grid sections. Copy this with Control B. Make it match the chord progression. More sleigh bells. Copied the bell pattern to a different preset for the verse. More bells. Add Add a riser and some wind chimes. Find some sound effects.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Thrill, ho, ho, ho! Ah!
I'll save that one for the eternal suffering type beat. No, I'm done.
Merry Christmas!
I switched up the patterns for the bridge. I almost forgot the glass smash.